The STL Pattern Importer found on the Importing tab allows you to bring in STL reliefs, essentially. You can select your file. Now, the files will generally follow the normal convention and will import in directly. Sometimes they'll be oriented differently, so you have a selector where you can select the orientation, choose the orientation that you want, hit next. Here you can change the dimensions of it. The length and width are, of course, locked. You can unlock that aspect ratio if you wish. You can change the depth independent of that. You can also choose the units if you wish. You also have the ability to essentially lower the pattern out. Sometimes there'll be background that you don't want. This allows you to lower that out. And also to raise it up if you wish. In the middle button here will center it back up where it originally came in. You do have an invert button as well, which will basically just invert that if this was a pattern that you wanted to do that with. Floor edges is checked by default. That basically means that the pattern will all go down to the same level all the way around. Generally, you want to keep that checked. Once you've selected or set everything up the way you want, just hit finish. A dialog will open up, which will allow you to choose where you are going to put that into your pattern library. So you can choose a category or make a new category and save it there. And this is your STL import.